Okay, everyone, we're almost done. We have two more views, our more complicated views. One is the latest, the concept of only the latest batch based on the most recent timestamp in the database. Now, this kind of goes hand in hand with the on-demand center where we can refresh, then head into the latest and just show me what the refresh latest version is. We also are going to build on this view of latest for our CSV download to give the users the option to download all records or just the latest records. I'm going to go a little slower on this one. There's a little bit more going on. There's some timestamp checking we have to do and refreshing from the database. But let's try to build this view together, all right? Magnification is going to be on. After I minimize that. Okay, so, right, we have latest. And we have views latest and then our sub-views. So we have to update all and we have to give it a dedicated view. So let's go ahead and give it the dedicated view. And this is going to be show inventory. And our views is show inventory latest. Okay, so we're done with the URLs. And now we're going to go into our views and find our concept of latest. Here they are here. So this is the all latest, which we will come back to. We'll double back to that. But for now, let's do the dedicated latest function. Sorry about the dogs. I'm not sure what's going on, but Molly or Bella, that's Bella. She says hello. So we're going to define show inventory latest, and we have the latest timestamp, which is the show inventory objects latest timestamp, which we're then going to use to filter our inventory list to create our context, which we return along when we render our view, which we have to update here, and this has to be show inventory as well. And then this is show inventory latest. And this gives us a cookie crumb to go to the latest here. Okay? So now that we have this, what we can do is try to split the screen and try to update the all at the top. So let's do the let's leave latest here. And then over here, let's go to the all. So what we're going to do is take these two lines from inventory latest and put them in alphabetically here for our user's benefit. And we're going to change these to be inventory latest timestamp, which means we have to update, we're all done with that, the timestamp here to be the inventory's latest timestamp. And then inventory list is that same filter. Now what do we need to add? Well, we need to add inventory list to the context that we send back to be rendered by the templating engine for the all view. Now we have to move into our HTML pages now. So we're going to go into templates. We're going to go into latest. And again, we're going to copy the show version and rename this show inventory. And we're going to rename the file inside here to show inventory latest. And we are going to scrub out, right, latest show inventory results, latest show inventory results, nuke that, bring in our HTML, doesn't matter which, it's already highlighted, perfect, paste, oh, what happened? And latest show inventory results, we don't need that. And then this inventory list, let's make sure that's what we passed it. I believe that's what we passed it. inventory list, yes. Okay, so now that is the individual page. So now let's take this table and move into the all and put it where it should go, here. Yep, and then we have to update our latest page here to add the table row. Right, show inventory. We bring this into latest show inventory, show inventory. Ready to go, ready to go. So let's try our latest view for show inventory. And now what's funny is we know that there's more than one record. If I if I go to 2021 under show inventory, there's all these records now with different timestamps. Can we get just the latest record? Well, I think we can if we go to latest show inventory. There we go. There's just the latest set of records. Now we can also go to the latest center here, and there's our button to that latest inventory, or all records in the database, where we now see show inventory results. Now I got to fix that. That came in as a header 1. Should be a header 2 on the latest page. Let me just fix that real quick. It's right here. This becomes H2. And let me look for H1. All right, there we go. I had some mistakes there. So let me demagnify. That's pretty neat. Now I said that's one of the more complex ones, and if it came across as not that complex, good. That's good. It means you're picking this up and you're learning. It's really not that complex. Now we just finish up with the CSV download buttons. For all records and the latest records is little buttons the user can click that will give them a downloaded file of the records that they can then open with Excel or VS Code. Thanks for sticking with me. We'll have a new video soon. Thanks.